Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how Brent is.
Turn up in your mouth.
Look, come here, baby, let me crumble your cookie.
You guys, good morning. It is December 17th. Today I'm supposed to be going to get a USB to save these videos that's on my laptop. I need to go to Walgreens or Target. I want to get something from Native, that brand Native. I want to get their deodorant and I want to get their candy cane toothpaste. I'm planning on doing a holiday self-care video. I bought the Vanilla Bean Noel from Bath & Body Works. Lotion, the spray, the body scrub, the body wash. So with that being said, I do need to go outside and go to Target today. And plus, like I said, I do need a USB. My nail finally popped off. They was on strong. But I know where the two of them are. So I might just press them back on because I need to get videos out the way today. I do have a Savage Fenty pajama haul coming up for you guys. / Sheen / Fashion Nova. I bought something from Fashion Nova and I bought something from Shein, but they're pajamas, so I just want to make it one big pajama video. I have that to do today as well, but that pajama video, I don't know guys, it might be posted December 17th, December 18th, Vlogmas 17th, Vlogmas 18th, I don't know. I already brushed my teeth, I already washed my face, I already did everything I had to do. I showered, I made my bed and everything. Like, certain things I do every day, I don't need to keep showing y'all the same shit I do every day on repeat. Like, hello. But yeah, today I'm gonna be reorganizing my kitchen, my cupboard in my kitchen, like where my seasonings are, the tea and stuff like that. Hey guys, we're gonna see where this day takes us. So the Native was found. I need to get this body wash, but then again I don't really need it because I got this Vanilla Bean Noel one, so I don't really need it like that. But where's the toothbrush? I mean the toothpaste and stuff like that, because I got my stuff. They don't got the candy cane Native toothpaste. Yeah, they only got the wild mints. Every time I want something, I don't get it, but they got this one, so let's go ahead with the mint. You think I should buy electric toothbrush for JJ? It's $3.99. That's Target brand. You think it's gonna work? I gotta go back to the other side. I need to get toothpaste for him, toothbrush. I said I was gonna come here and get a little bit of stuff, and I ended up getting the whole fucking universe as usual. Officially back home. I got to redo these spices over here because this is irritating me. Yeah, everything is put in the wrong spot. Like, this is aggravating me, so I'm just gonna redo this little area right here and see how different it comes out. So yeah,
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how Brent is.
Turn up in your mouth. You speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you. I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on me, now we mad because you had me. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. My shit off when you top me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how Brent is.
so I reorganized organize most of everything. I get switched over here. Yeah, it was looking a mess before, so I just reorganized most of what I could. So yeah, it's a little neater now. I can go ahead and get what I want and stuff. I don't gotta be digging and all this extra shit. You can see in the back, there's more stuff in the back and everything. So yeah, quick little organized, nothing special, but I did it for me. Guys, y'all see me? I'm so cute. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Target. A little quick Target haul. So I did get a USB 64 gigabyte flash drive for my computer because I do need save some stuff that's on my laptop that is just taking up too much space. I haven't had a USB since like middle school, high school. I don't think high school I ever had a USB, but middle school I know because I had a computer class, and yeah, I had to have a USB for that class. Well, I got this toothbrush from my son. It's electric, and I press it. I got a nourishing sheet mask for my face. It has aloe juice and witch hazel water. Shit. Working by itself. This is crazy. And then I got this Rocking Reindeer's printed foot sheet mask. So the foot mask is gonna look like this. So I bought this Listerine Smart Rinse for my son. So it's anti-cavity. He knows how to, like, you know, rinse out and spit. You know, when he brushes his teeth, he does that. So I feel like I can, so yeah, I could get him used to like Listerine and stuff like that. So this is why I bought this one. I got some AAA batteries because this is needed in my house. From the remote to his electric toothbrush. I feel like there's a lot of stuff in this house that needs AAA batteries more than AA. Or maybe it's both. Maybe it's a half and half. But I just bought AAA because I feel like most of the stuff that I have need AAA batteries. I did get some Orajel Kids anti-cavity toothpaste for my son. He ran out and he had a couple left, and yeah, it was done. So you guys, I got this Native Fluoride anti-cavity toothpaste, candy cane, limited edition. I believe they said it's limited edition because it's candy cane, because it's due to the holiday season. This is why they have this one. So when I checked on Target, like for 3 days straight, I've been checking for Native on Target and seeing if they had this toothpaste. When I first got into the aisle, I only see the winter mint one, as you guys can see, because I just showed you guys that. Then when I went around the aisle, and you know how they have the stuff advertising like outside of the aisle before you enter in, this was on the outside of the aisle with a whole Native brand stand. It said it's out of stock at the Target that I went to. So yeah, it said it was out of stock at the Target that I went to. So when I went around the little aisle, I'm like, oh, it's there. Yeah, so I hurried up and put that mint one back, and I got this candy cane one because this is the one that I really wanted. And I went and got this candy cane Native deodorant because, like I said, I want to do a little holiday. I want to do the holiday self-care video for you guys. So these stuff I am going to be using. Yes, guys, last one. I did get my son a robe. I got him a cute little robe. It's so cute. This is a little robe that I got him, and he doesn't have a robe. Last time he had a robe, he was like 12 months. Like, it was a Mickey Mouse robe, and I had to give it up because it was not working for him no more. So yeah. We're gonna move on to the rest of this video.
Look, come here, baby, let me crumble your cookie.